Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out another power bank from ZENDURE. This one here is the A5. It's got a 16,750 milliamp battery, and it's got the second gen with Zen Plus technology. All right, so this is a smaller battery than the one that I did a review a while back ago. The last one that I did was the 26,800 milliamp battery. It was called the A8, which is right over here. So this one here is their smaller model, the A5. It's got a smaller capacity, and the feature is pretty much identical to the last one that I did, except it doesn't have the quick charge. So that's pretty much the only difference. Other than that, all the features and everything is pretty much identical. There's a specification down here. As you can see, the 2 USB output, it only produces 5 volt 2.1 amp, the maximum on both USB, whereas the other one, it produces a little bit higher. So you will have a much quicker charge if you go for the A8 compared to this one. But anyways, we'll check this out and give you guys my experience, what I got from this power bank, if it's any good or not. But before we do that, let's open this up and see what you get. All right, so here we go. Oops. Wow, that was a fail, guys. All right, so let's do that again. Here we go. Boom. There is the power bank itself. I got it in black in color. You do have an option to get it in this silver color right there. But off the bat, as you can see, it is super lightweight, guys, and compact. Let me just grab my weight scale here just to show you how light it is. And by the way, here is my Note 8. As you can see, it is very light and compact. So let's try to weight this and see what kind of weight we've got from this power bank. So we've got 315 grams. If you want to compare it with a Note 8, just to give a general idea of the weight, you've got 215 grams right there. And if you want to compare it with the other power banks right here, these one are pretty much got a higher capacity, therefore it is much larger, but just giving you guys an idea the size. All right, and here is the bigger brother, the A8. This one's the 2500 or 26,800 milliamp. As you can see, it is much thicker. Okay, this one's got the quick charge, whereas this one doesn't. All right, so let's go through the component here. So off the bat right there, you got 2 USB slot. You got a micro USB right there to charge the power bank. And then on top, you've got your LED power indicator, LED light indicator on the top right there. This thing is made mostly of plastic. On the side is made of rubber. Okay, so besides the power bank, let's check what else we have inside the box here. Okay, so you do have a carrying case, which is always good. Your user manual, and inside the box here you have probably your micro USB cable, which if I could open this up. Okay. Yeah, your micro USB cable. All right, good. So let's just clear everything here off the table, and I'll tell you guys what I got, the performance from this power bank. So when it comes to recharging this power bank from 0 to 100%, I was able to get approximately 10 hours and 47 minutes. When it comes to recharging my smartphone devices, I was able to charge my OnePlus 5T 3300 milliamp battery from 0 to 100% within 2 hours and 19 minutes. And from there, I was able to also charge my S8 Plus 3500 milliamp battery from 0 to 100% within 2 hours and 54.7 minutes, followed by my iPhone 10 2716 milliamp battery from 0 to 100% within 2 hours and 37 minutes. And from there, I only had one battery life LED left, so I was able to charge another phone, my OnePlus 5, from 0% to 43%, and that is when my power bank completely died out on me. So in total, I was able to charge 3 smartphone devices from 0 to 100% and 1 smartphone from 0 to 43%. So overall, guys, this power bank is packing a lot of juices. It can charge a lot of smartphone devices, and overall, it is perfect for traveling. If you are going for a long trip or anything like that, this power bank is perfect for you. When you look at the size, the weight, this thing is pretty much a complete package, guys. Not too bad of a power bank. So if you guys are interested in this power bank, I will put a link on the description below where you can get one. And again, if you have any other questions you would like to ask, just leave me a comment down below and I'll try my best to get back to you. So that's pretty much it, guys. So once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.